Welcome to our Travel Payouts 101 series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll go over the ways you can promote affiliate links via email marketing. Looking for another great channel to promote affiliate links and grow your income? Email marketing is a fantastic option. Why? Because this powerful marketing tactic is cost-effective and helps you deliver targeted messages to a loyal audience. In addition, it's easy to measure, allows you to own your contact list, and gives you control over your voice and content. Ready to learn how to promote affiliate links via email marketing and drive more affiliate sales? Let's jump in. Where should you start? First and foremost, you need to build an email list. To do this, encourage your audience to subscribe by offering them a lead magnet that's relevant to your niche. For example, if you're a travel blogger, use a packing list or destination guide. Here's a pro tip. Start building your email list as soon as possible, even if you're just a beginner in affiliate marketing. Why? Because it will allow you to foster long-term relationships with your audience and lay a solid foundation for your future affiliate business. Next, make sure your email marketing service allows affiliate marketing and sharing affiliate links and emails. However, don't lose heart if your service doesn't allow for this, because you can always drive users to your website featuring affiliate links. It's also important to follow the guidelines of the programs you want to promote, because some of them may prohibit email traffic. On Travelpayouts, you can see if a program allows this type of traffic in its description. A quick note, if you want to share affiliate links and emails, don't forget to add emails as a channel to your existing Travelpayouts project or create a new one. Now that you're all set to promote affiliate links with email marketing, let's see how to do it right. First, make sure you promote affiliate offers that are relevant to your niche and will resonate with your subscribers. Furthermore, don't spam your audience with affiliate links. Otherwise, you'll see an increase in unsubscribe rates. Instead, share links that will provide value to your audience and solve their pain points. In addition, you can add affiliate links organically to your existing emails that perform well. Another option is to add an email with affiliate links to an existing email sequence with high open and click-through rates. Last but not least, it's important to track your email campaigns to see what's working and what's not, and pivot your strategy accordingly. To do this, you can use Google Analytics and the built-in tracking tools that most email marketing platforms provide. Let's recap. Email marketing is a great way to promote your affiliate links. Follow the guidelines of your email marketing platform and the affiliate programs you'll be promoting. Make sure to provide value to your audience. Add affiliate links to your existing emails and email sequences that perform well. In the next tutorial, we'll explain how you can use affiliate links to monetize your YouTube videos. Keep watching! Now, go ahead and share affiliate links in your emails to drive more sales. Good luck, and see you soon!